Wishes always take time. Result also takes time. Wishes come true when you give a good time to the wishes. If you sow the seed and same day you want to reap it, cannot be possible. Sowing and reaping, they both would be done at different timing. There would be a season of sowing the seed, there would be a season of reaping that fruit. If I feel that today I sow any seed and I will get the fruit out of that, not at all. Whatever water it requires, whatever compost it requires, if I give same day, suppose if I sow a seed and this seed needs 20 buckets of water in 6 months and completely 5 kgs of compost, and if I give this 20 buckets of water and 5 kgs of compost today, it will die. It requires a good time to be a tree and fruit which you want. Wishes always come true, but they always take time. Result always takes time. Some people have big dream. They dream of getting something better. And for completing these dreams, they use their all efforts. But what happens? After using all efforts, when they do not get the results, they leave their dreams in lurch. Why do they do so? Why does it happen? Why they leave their dreams in lurch? I have got the one answer of this. Because they want to get this result soon. They don't have the patience, though they are using their all efforts. So what happens when you people especially have guts, when you have the talent, you dream of something which is completely big, you have the big dream and you use all efforts to completing that dream, and at last when you get a result and that does not come in the favor of you, what happens? You leave same dream in lurch. Though result takes time. So whenever we have a big dream in our life and we use all efforts to complete that dream, wishes always come true, but they take time to be completed. They do not come true soon. If I sow the seed today, I cannot anticipate a fruit from that seed tomorrow. Of course, I anticipate, but I will anticipate after 6 months, after a year, not within a day. Sowing and reaping cannot be done together. If you think they both can be done together, so you are mistaken. I'm afraid you are mistaken. So if you want to sow something today, 100% you will get the result tomorrow. Tomorrow it means after some years, after some months, after some weeks, after 2 years, after 3 years. But you need to work upon your sowing habits, which is the consequence of your efforts. You need to work upon only your sowing habits. If I want to develop my skills, I cannot develop within a day. I need at least some months. So I have developed these all skills while teaching you people, and I have been teaching since 2005. So the thing is that within a day I did not develop. I have been developing, I have been growing, I have been grooming my personality every day, every minute, every second, every year, every month. I have been doing this, and I will be doing it. Because I know, because the seed which I have been sowing today, I will reap it after so many years. I'm not gonna reap it tomorrow. The same is with every single person who just uses its all efforts and after that thinks of reaping it tomorrow. No, we need to take time at least, because result always takes time. Every good thing takes time. So if you feel that whenever you want to sow the seed, you need to wait for reaping it. But what you need to do in meanwhile, you need to fertilize it. You need to put the good compost over there, because when seed gets the good compost, when seed gets fertilized, so of course it converts into a big tree and it gets you the flowers and fruits. You can anticipate these all things when you fertilize it today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, over and over again. If you keep doing these all things, you will get the result. But still I'm saying every good thing takes time. Thank you guys for listening to me.